Hey guys, it's me, ThomasFan95, here again with a very special video. Now, I recently hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, which is quite an achievement. Well, not really, since people everywhere have millions of subscribers, and then there's little old me, just managed to get past 100 a couple days ago, but I thought to celebrate, I'd do another Thomas Wooden Railway Collection video. Last time I did one was when I first started this channel around last year, and I've gained a lot more models since then, so I'm going to showcase all of them as of the upload date of this video. Starting off with my engines, we have Thomas, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Diesel, Bill, Ben, Oliver, Mavis, Flying Scotsman, Scarloey, Rheneas, Duncan, Stepney, Lady, Diesel 10, Splatter, Dodge, Salty, Harvey, Emily, Spencer, Rosie, Whiff, Bash, Dash, Bell, Winston, Luke, Stafford, Stephen, Connor, Marion, Sam, Dustin, Vinny, Yang Bao, Hugo, Coldy, and Neil. Here are my custom engines. My old and very beaten up Alfred Custom, Timothy, and Frankie. Here are my generic engines. Rio birthday engine, generic red steam engine, generic steam engine that I painted brown and black, Imaginarium red tank engine, Imaginarium red diesel with added face, Maxim Enterprise blue diesel engine, and generic Flyer Express diesel engine. Here are my non-rail vehicles: Birdie, Terrence, Trevor, Bulgy, Bulstrode, Cranky, Skiff, Imaginarium fire truck, Imaginarium ambulance, Brio Busy Town shoe car, generic red car, generic blue car, generic orange bus, and generic water damaged helicopter. Here are my coaches: Annie, Clarabelle, 2 generic white express coaches, 2 generic blue coaches of different brands from different companies, generic green coach, generic yellow coach, generic Flyer Express coach, generic Flyer Express restaurant coach, Imaginarium small green coach, yellow generic open coach, and a green generic open coach. Here are my trucks, wagons, and freight cars: Scruffy, Giggling Troublesome Truck, Troublesome Truck, Gumball Troublesome Truck, Chocolate Troublesome Truck, Rio Hay Wagon with added face, Chicken Car with added troublesome van face, generic orange coal hopper with added red Palhay face, Confetti Car, Aquarium Car, 2 Maxim Enterprise log wagons, Maxim Enterprise milk tanker, 5 cargo cars of various loads, 4 wooden railway, 1 Imaginarium, 2 wooden railway animal trucks and cargo cars, depending on which area you got them from, Imaginarium barrel car, Imaginarium cannon truck, Chuggington fire wagon, flower dumper, 2 flatbeds with missing tops, 2 Brio cargo cars with different loads, slot and build bubble tanker, a breakdown train, sodor line caboose, and a blue Imaginarium caboose with added spiteful brake van's face. Here are my extra engines. 2013 Thomas with added season 23 rivets and handrails. Thomas 1942. Thomas 2015. Early Engineers Thomas. Wood Thomas, which has been turned into a scrap D2. Origins James. 2001 James Tender. Silver Percy. Wood Diesel 10. And Neville's Tender. And finally, here are my factory error items. Those being my Splatter and Dodge, which have the opposite faces. What I mean is that Splatter has Dodge's face, and Dodge has Splatter's face. And those are my 2 and only factory error items. And that was my Thomas Wooden Railway collection. Thank you all for being here with me. Thanks to my 100 subscribers for subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.